It's mid-May, and soon enough, your kids will be on summer break. One fun thing to do with them, gardening. Mitch and Sarah join us this morning from Unity Gardens.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome here. There's a big event going on today. Tell us a little bit about it.
We have a season opening event, and the garden season is always kind of malleable here in Indiana, and of course it doesn't feel like gardening season, but it did last week.
Yes.
May 15th is our average frost date, so we always try to kick off our garden season 11 to 2 at the main garden of Unity Gardens.
Now, people who aren't familiar with Unity Gardens, kind of tell us about it.
Okay, Unity Gardens is a nonprofit dedicated to connecting people to healthy food and to each other. We do that through free gardens, education, free classes, connecting people to healthy food. And then when people gather in these places, all of a sudden they start creating neighborhood solutions and connections that make our whole community better.
Where is Unity Gardens?
We have 57 locations right now.
Okay.
The main one is on Prast Boulevard off of Bendix near Lincoln Way West. It's next to the old St. Vincent's de Paul, and it's a beautiful 10-acre plot of land that we love to show off, which is what we're doing today.
Now, let me ask you, Mother's Day weekend, I went out and we bought some seeds because we want to start a garden at our home. Now, it's been obviously too cold this weekend to really do anything. When is a good time to actually do something like that?
Well, you could have got started with it earlier with the cool weather things like the lettuces and that. We have that stuff growing already out in the garden.
Oh, okay.
And then, your tomatoes and that stuff you usually buy them by plant if you haven't started them already. So,
okay. I'm new at this, if you can't tell.
Well, it looks like according to forecast, after Sunday night, I think we're going to get another cool night. But Monday, you start planting all the warm weather stuff like the tomatoes and that in the ground and the peppers and start getting going on it.
Now, with this cold weather this week, were you guys concerned?
Yes, because we did what we shouldn't have did and planted some tomatoes early, but we covered them up with 5-gallon buckets, so everything has survived just fine.
Okay, great. Now, if people want more information about the event happening today, where should they look?
Well, the event today is 11 to 2. We have a website, www.theunitygardens.org, or they can call. Our number is 574-315-4361, but just show up. It's an open house at the garden. We're going to show our new projects and the projects we completed for 2013.
And real quick, for people at home, what time is it taking place today?
It'll be 11 to 2. Cookies, coffee, and water.
Hopefully the weather will cooperate, right?
You bet.
Thanks for being here this morning.
Thank you.